Hey guys, if you are doing carpet cleaning, we have a really good news for you. Yes, basically, if you're doing carpet cleaning, we can get you 100 to 180 leads every month using paid ads, all done for you. Yes, what will happen is that basically we are gonna manage your advertising and we're gonna target the homeowners and the residents who are looking for carpet cleaning in your area where you provide your services. We're gonna target them. They are gonna share their information, like how many rooms need to be cleaned, what is the best time to book an appointment, their phone number, their street address, their zip code, or if they also have a staircase need to be cleaned. All you need to do is just to call them, schedule an appointment, and send your technician. And if your technician is good at sales, you can make a crazy upsell there as well. So if you are doing carpet cleaning, don't forget to contact us. Or if you want to know more information, you can visit our website www.f16media.agency/start or www.f16media.agency. Or in the description, you will find our WhatsApp number, our email. You can shoot a text us anytime or schedule a call with us. Thank you and good luck.